Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to open Files application by Google, which you have pre-installed on your device. Then go to the SD card, tap on three dots here, go to storage settings and select format, and then confirm it. And after a few seconds, SD card will be formatted and ready to be used in you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.